All right, 2022 is here. Whoop, open the car first. This will be my first car ride in 2022. All the things I do for the first time will be for the first time in 2022. Time to go and do the first dip of the year. It's quite frozen, so let's see if we can make a hole. All right, I think we have to prep that. Okay, all right, we're not going to be able to make a hole here, so we're going to see if we can find something else on the other pier. Yeah. I'm here to pick up a package from Nina-Leist. Wait. All right, we're opening number 11. Dinosaurs, chocolate. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm about to give a 40-minute lecture on the Swedish language to a university in the Philippines. It's just your ordinary Saturday morning. Thank you so much, Yamesha, and thank you for inviting me to speak. It's always fun to set the alarm to 5:15. For those of you who remember the old Sex and the City episodes, there's an episode where he says, it's 5:30 in the morning, but I love it. Any chance I get to interact with people who love languages is a good time. All right, just did the talk. It was fun. It's you never know where the formal meets me. With the exception of picking up the food for New Year's and my mother-in-law's birthday dinner, it's the first time I'm in the city in a month. And there's snow. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. All right. Did COVID test. Wife possibly positive. Possibly. Let's find out what I am. And this is the day that we throw out Christmas, including the tree. Monday morning, Blue Monday, and I am heading out for a lunch run. Haven't had a lot of running in daylight lately, so nice change. I'm gonna go back to the tracks in the woods. Haven't been there for a while. I'm gonna do the 5K. See how that feels. All right, so here's a theory. Maybe I won't run the 5K stretch because it's a freaking ice skating rink. Look at that. Wee wee. But it looks like in the woods up there, there's none. So maybe I'll have to freestyle my own little stretch here. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Look at that. No, I will die. All right, so I just got a preliminary invitation to come and be a guest lecturer for 2 or 3 days or something in Minsk, Belarus. And I was like, my first instinct was like, oh yeah. And I was like, how do I get there? Are there planes that go there? I mean, it's not like it's a third world country, but I know that there were some agreements between companies flying in there last year. But yeah, we'll see what happened. It has to be approved in different levels of things, but yeah, cool. Sitting here working, and I saw in a Facebook group that Loaf, the artist, had passed away yesterday, and it gets you thinking. Some of those great artists that you never got to see. I know Meatloaf was at Sweden Rock the year before my first year, and he was in Bergen, Norway on the day that I arrived there, but I didn't have money to go see it. And I mean, Bad Out of Hell 2, that album is just such a significant part of me defining my life, as a teenager in the 90s. Objects in the Rearview Mirror, Rock and Roll Dreams Come True, Lost Girls and Lonely Boys, Lost Boys and Lonely Girls, Out of the Frying Pan, Everything Louder, Wasted Youth. It was just, yeah. I was thinking the other day, you know, back at 2016 where it was just such a year of prominent artists passing, and I wonder what 2022 is going to be like. Who are we going to lose? Who are we going to miss? I guess that's how life works, but still, we will never be as old as we are right now. So I decided I was going to go out and run, and at first I thought I was going to do just a short bit, but then I thought, why don't I listen to the entire Bad Out of Hell 2 album by Loaf and run until the album is finished. And let me tell you that those songs are not short. So I scraped together 12 kilometers, which is good. It was good. It is the next day and I'm back in town, and I'm at Slussen. I'm gonna meet up with Elle from California. Yeah. It's always a bit nervous when you're gonna meet up with someone for the first time, because you've only really communicated through messages, and you don't know what the energy is gonna be like, and yeah. I mean, obviously this is a person coming from the US, so I don't think the language is gonna be a problem. All right, it's been 6 hours, roughly. And if I may speak for the both of us, I think it went well.
I would concur. Yes.
Concurred. Wow, the submarine language. Do you concur? I concur.
I concur, yes, yes. The judge concurs.
Okay.
I hit the gavel on the wood block.
No, I'm not going to ask a question. We do and say certain things that do not end up in the video because we want to keep it somewhat
Friendly?
Friendly. It's like the How I Met Your Mother episode in the limousine. Oh, you're friendly. Reference. Okay.
I'm tired, it's cold.
Contemplate of what we did and prepare for next Saturday. What?
Freezing cold bath water.
Yeah.
Ice swimming.
Girl, I'm gonna make it feel so good.
Oh my gosh.
It'll be fun. I haven't done it since November. Ice bath. Look at all the cool patterns. Just been to the doctor discussing my intestine and my liver values. And liver values have gone down a little bit, which is a good thing, but it's a long game. So I just gotta keep on eating well, exercising, take care of myself, and if all goes well and the truck doesn't hit me, we'll hopefully get to live to see an older age. That's the plan. It's the plan, man. It's the plan. It is Saturday. It is rainy and snowy. It's like weather outside, but we're gonna go and pick up Anton. Haven't seen him in a bit. And we're gonna pick up Ellie, who you saw a few minutes ago, I guess. And we're gonna go ice baiting. Yeah.
Final
thoughts?
I don't know. Am I insane? Or
Definition?
definitely, yeah. I have no final words.
Okay.
Except I'm ready.
Alright, good. Good final words. Bum, bum, bum.
Damn it!
Well, it's bigger than my last one.
Yeah, I don't, but it's okay.
There we go. And just breathe, breathe. And now say something. Say a sentence.
Say what?
Nice.
Oh God, it's so cold.
I know. Just let the body do what the body does.
My husband is gonna be so proud. I think I'm good.
All right, good.
Does this mean I'm Scandinavian now? Do
Uh,
I get a pass?
Yes, you get your person number.
Yes.
Just get your bank ID first.
No, it's cold.
Oh, that's why you just fell into it. That's the point.
Now we throw ice at him.
All right, go.
Feed him, stop.
Oh!
Yay!
Okay. Arr. Arr. That went better than I thought. And that's how you mix knowledge with torture. Our first semla.
I usually put this top off.
How do you do it?
Top first.
Top first. Oh.
I use the top as a spoon.
There is no
Sweetie
spoon.
cream with.
Yes,
That's
so I
really
eat it.
smart, actually.
Thank you. Too kind.
But you get one.
You-
But
yeah.
you can eat it with your hands or you can eat it with a spoon.
We have arrived at Minnesgården museum exhibition where we're gonna watch an exhibit.
Oh, cool.
Just been to the third second-hand store, and this one was stuffy, really stuffy. The air was like no air. There's no air. Stop! Oh my god! What was that? Penalty Sweden for the whole tournament. Ja! Nu står jag på vänster mikrofon och pratar ut över första kammarsalen. Nu står jag till höger igen, där jag stod en gång när jag var något yngre för någon minut sedan.
Vi utgår ifrån att de partier som flera gånger i flera debatter.
And we're back at the new office, and yeah, it went well. It went really well. Had some panic there because Facebook was messing with me, but it looked good to everyone but me. As to say, what mer can you ask for? Booster shot, check. And that, my friends, was the month of January.
What have I done? What have I done? Share the adventure.